Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And when I say run to Dollar Tree and get you some Gel X nails, I mean run. Do not walk, run. And I'm going to show you exactly why I'm telling you to run. So let's get into it. So first of all, let me just say every time that I have been in Dollar Tree recently, I have been pleasantly surprised. I found these Gel X tips in a Dollar Tree that I normally do not go to, and I was very surprised. So let's get into them. They are not as thick as, the name brand Gel X tips. Let me just lead with that because they are not as thick, but they are very durable. They are pretty sturdy, but they're not as thick. And Long Hair Pretty Nails said if the nails stick together and clumps like they just were when I was trying to get that thumbnail out, then that's how you know they are gel. So these are definitely Gel X nails for $1.25. You cannot beat that price. So when I was in Dollar Tree and I spotted them, they only had one pack. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to just grab this one and try them out. Hopefully, if I like them, they'll get more in stock. So I just picked out my sizes. As you can see, I was sizing my nails to make sure they fit my nail beds from sidewall to sidewall, and I have full coverage. And I'm going to be using the Model 1's Gel X system to apply these to see if they are definitely, really, and truly Gel X nails. So I just grabbed a nail file and I filed the shine from the top of my natural nails so that when I apply the nail glue to the Gel X tip and stick it to my natural nail, they will adhere to the nail fibers that I just roughened up on my natural nail. So I'm just applying that 4-in-1 nail glue onto the underside of the Gel X nail, and I am going to make sure my light is in place so that when I press this nail onto my natural nail, I can go right under the light and start curing. So I applied a little bit too much glue and I had a little bit of spillage, and I did not want to take my hand off of that nail. So I just used my other fingers to kind of get rid of the excess glue that was around my cuticle area before I went under the light. So the light is automatically set to 60 seconds. So I cured that nail for 60 seconds. Now let's test this nail out. The gel was able to cure completely, and as you can see, I tested the nail to see if it was loose or gonna come off, and it is on there. So what does that tell us? These are definitely some Gel X nails. They have gel nails in the Dollar Tree. I am shook. Now, I got this Model 1's Gel X nail system from Amazon, and it did come with a bunch of Gel X nails. It came with those Gel X nails, it came with the light and that 4-in-1 nail glue, all included. So make sure you guys check the description box for the link to get this kit. And since now we know that these nails from the Dollar Tree are Gel X nails, it also doesn't hurt to have a couple extra packs of Gel X nails in case you run out of the ones that came with the kit. You can have those extra ones on the side. I really wish they had more of these when I went to the Dollar Tree and I spotted these. I definitely would have racked up and stocked up on about at least 5 packs. I mean, they're only $1.25. You can never have too many extra Gel X nails. And this kit is really amazing. I love the light. I love how convenient it is that the power button is located in the center of the light, and you can use that power button to turn the light on and turn it off. It does shut off automatically after you're done curing after 60 seconds, but in other kits, the light does not turn off. Like, you literally have to unplug it in order for the light to turn off. So that's one thing that I love about this Model 1's Gel X kit. And this 4-in-1 nail glue is amazing. You can use it to apply Gel X nails. You can also use it to apply rhinestones. You can also use it as a base coat and blooming gel. And I think you can also use this to apply press-on nails as long as the press-on nails are clear and transparent. So you can definitely use this glue in multiple ways. So this is what the kit looks like. I inserted a screen recording from my phone. It does come with long coffin shape Gel X tips, the light, the 4-in-1 nail glue, and it's only $9.99 right now. It's been fluctuating from $19.99 to $9.99, so it's on sale for 50% off right now. I don't know how long that is going to last, so I suggest you click the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and add that to your Amazon cart and check out before the price goes back up to the regular price. But back to these nails. Okay, these $1.25 Gel X nail tips. Look how good and sturdy these tips are for them to only be $1.25. They are not bending, they are not cracking, and as you can see, I am moving my fingers back and forth and pressing them just to make sure that these nails are not going to bend as soon as I put them on, and they did not. So I mean, only time will tell, but I feel like you definitely should get some top coat and maybe put about 2 layers of top coat on the top, or do like a builder gel overlay on these just to make sure they have a couple extra layers of thickness, because they are a little bit thinner than other name brand Gel X nails. So if you're on a budget, these are right up your alley. So I did grab a nail file just to sharpen the tips and kind of shape them a little bit better. I feel like the shape was okay, but I like my shape to be a little bit more crispy. So I'm just shaping them up a little bit, and I also needed to file that excess glue that spilled over when I was applying the nails. So I'm just taking my nail file and going around my cuticle area just to remove that remaining excess nail glue. This is pretty easy to do, so if you do end up having a little bit of spillage when you're applying your nails, don't worry, go ahead and cure them, because all you have to do is take a nail file and file that excess glue off. It's not the end of the world. When you're applying these nails, it does take practice and you'll get better with time, but this is very beginner friendly. This kit, I feel like, is good for beginners that are learning to apply Gel X nails. And also, if you want to use the Dollar Tree nails to practice on, that's another good thing that these nails will come in handy for, so you don't waste all your other Gel X nail tips that come with the kit. You can practice with the ones you get from Dollar Tree. So hopefully when you check your local Dollar Tree, they have them in there, because I highly recommend you guys try these tips out. And don't forget to check the description box for the link to this Modelones Gel X kit. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is watching. And if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.